Greening area.
Right? Greening, right?
Exactly. And the house is full. Ito, mga ilang generation.
Area. So eventually, we really need the compost because we have urban garden.
No, pag dumating po yung member, kikilogin.
Okay, so when the members come, they will weigh.
Pagkatapos po, i-record ko.
Then
Then,
she'll
pag
record.
sila dumating, 10, this is 2 kinds of material. That's all aggregate 40. The small one for those of putting in the things.
Yeah, it's useful for keeping things sorted.
Si ano ba
The 40, the
Good.